We've all had it happen. Our computer slows down, and sometimes it's tough to figure out why. That's where I come in. There are 3 services you can choose from: Analysis, Cleanup, and Fix. For Analysis, I connect to your computer with a program called TeamViewer. Using your diagnostics tool, I quickly note some details about your operating system, graphics card, and a few other odds and ends. Then check your task manager for things that may be running up your CPU. During this time, I take note of your computer's symptoms and make suggestions for how you might consider addressing the issue yourself. My second service, Cleanup, is where I join you over TeamViewer, help you clean out unnecessary files, programs, browser extensions, and make sure that everything you have is fully up to date so your computer can run smoothly and quickly. My final service, Fix, is where I join you over TeamViewer and help you remove tough viruses, fix corrupted files, and make sure that your computer is doing everything as it should before I sign off.